Hey G Squad, welcome back to my episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool material here. And basically what this is a whole leg air compression leg massager. You can see the one that we got right here is from this brand. And here's basically what the product looks like. So if you guys notice for this leg massager, it gives you guys a pretty good coverage for your ankles, your hamstring area, and also like your feet as well, which is pretty cool. On the side right here, they probably got some specs and features on here. So they mentioned how it has a whole leg heating option and also the air compression option as well. It has 3 heat options, 3 intensity level, and 3 different modes. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once you guys open up, this is what it looks like inside. So they probably got a lot of different parts, but let's take everything out first. So first thing inside right here, they probably got a user manual to teach you guys how to set up and how to use it. Right here, they probably got a little bag that you use to put everything in here to keep it all organized. And that way to bring it along with you guys almost anywhere. And right here, they probably got 2 extension options that you can use to extend it if it's too small. And that's everything in the first bag. Next up right here, they probably got remote control. So I'm seeing the remote control, we do have the brand logo and they have a few buttons available. So I'm assuming it's like a mode button, intensity button, the heating option, and the power button. And top right here, we do have the display screen to show you guys which mode you guys are using and etc. Bottom part is where you guys are going to plug in a cable to activate it, and also for each one of the legs. So one for left and one for right. And next up right here, they probably got a small little box. So once you guys open up, inside they do have the charging cable. So here is the cable you guys want to plug in to activate the product. And last but not least, here are both like the leg massager, one for right and one for left. Since they both are the same, let me actually take out one of them to show you guys what she looks like. So once you guys take it out, it's all nicely wrapped up. Top part right here, we do have the brand logo. And inside right here, we do have the Velcro. So if you guys pull it, here is basically what the product looks like when you guys do open it up. So inside right here, they actually label right or left. And right underneath that, they do provide guys instruction to teach you guys how to put it on. And when you guys feel the material that's inside, it does feel really smooth. And also another way for you to tell which side is which, they do label on the outside right here. So this one's right. But basically for the top part right here, you guys want to set it right here. And then the other part in the bottom is for your leg and this part right here. But let's fully open up as well. Alright, so once you guys open it, this is what the inside looks like. So the Velcro on here is pretty strong. And in the back, they do have the cord for you guys to plug it in. If you guys notice on the actual cord right here, it's labeled up. So when you guys plug it into actual remote, you guys want to make sure the side that say up is facing upward. So that is basically everything that's included in the package. Now I'm actually set it up and plug it in to show you guys how it works. So you basically want to set the bottom part first. And you don't want to make it too tight because of the air compression later on, it's going to be squeezing your leg. Alright, so once you guys finish setting the bottom part, you guys are working on the top part. So once you guys finish setting up this part, then you guys want to put it on the other side as well. Then you guys plug in a cord onto your remote and plug in the other charging cable or the power cable onto the wall outlet to actually generate power onto the actual product. So let's finish setting everything up. Alright, so I got both legs set up. Now let's plug it onto the remote. So you can see on the bottom I already have the remote control all plugged in for the power outlet or power cable. But now let's plug in the cable for both of the leg massagers. So one for right and one for left. Once you guys plug it in, you can press the power button. And that will turn it on. Immediately once you guys turn it on, you can definitely hear and feel the product starts working. Let me actually bring the remote control closer to show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so here is basically what the screen looks like when you guys do turn it on. If you see it show you guys the heat, strength, and also the different mode. So for the mode option, there's combination, circulation, or sequence. Strength, there's min, mid, and max. Same thing for heat, min, mid, and max. So you definitely adjust everything based on your own preference. So M for different mode, this one for intensity level, and this one for the heat. So I'm gonna try everything on the lowest setting first, and then we'll try on the high. Alright, so currently I have everything on the lowest setting. Alright, so we use everything on the lowest setting, including the heating option. You can definitely feel the air compression on both the top part and the bottom part because we are using combination mode. But in terms of the heating option, you guys can feel a little bit, not a lot yet. I feel like the longer you leave it on, the stronger it'll get or the hotter it'll get. But when we use it on the lowest level on here, I don't really feel too much. So I'm actually turning it on max. Same thing for the heat option as well. So now we have everything on the highest level in terms of the heat option and also the intensity level as well. And we still have it in combination mode. Alright, so when we turn it on the maximum level that's on here, I can definitely feel like a stronger squeeze on both the top part and also for my legs and my feet as well. compared to when we have it at the lowest level, I don't feel anything at all. And when it squeezes you, it doesn't feel like painful or anything. It actually feels pretty comfortable in a good way. Like I totally see myself using this a lot after like a long workout, maybe going for a run or something. Especially for the heat option, I can definitely feel a lot more of that heat when we turn it on max compared to low. And then turn to the mode option, like I mentioned, you do have the option to change different modes on here. If you guys want a combo mode, if you guys want circulation mode, or if you guys want secrets mode, that is totally up to you guys. But definitely when you guys do use the product, it feels super nice and really relaxing and comfortable as well. And once you guys are done using the product, you can definitely turn it off, just like that, and it's all set. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want or need one of these, especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality leg massager. We're giving you guys a pretty good coverage, not only just for your feet and not just for like your leg right here, but they also give you guys like the massage and also the heating option for the top part right here as well. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.